Isang sound.
Roll call.
Delegate Alford,
Amen.
Delegate Asher,
Present.
Delegate Posse, Delegate Cantero, Delegate Tour, Delegate Fritz,
I'm here, thank you.
Delegate Ashiguchi,
Nagi.
Vice President Lizanardo Nariarte, Delegate Canto,
Aye.
Delegate Louis, Delegate Martin,
Good morning.
Delegate Mori, present, Delegate Nabayan,
Present.
Delegate Knight,
Yay.
Delegate Lockett,
Amen.
Delegate Pulses,
Yes.
Delegate Simon, Delegate Samo, Delegate Sikra, here, Delegate Sitan, Delegate Susaya, Delegate Takasi,
Present.
Floor Leader Yatselman, President Kilian.
Here.
Mr. President, we have 22 delegates that are present.
Thank you very much. We have a quorum to transact business. Item 4, adoption of Chuno. Mr. President. Yes, sorry. Declare shortages. I was for designate our friend. Yeah. do that. So Florida, it's already noted that Florida Yataman is here this morning to continue to be our Florida for the rest of the day and the rest of the session. So we're on item 5, item 4, adoption of Chono. Ms. Florida.
Good morning, Mr. President. I'd like to move that the convention adopts the Journal
seconded that we adopt the journal of yesterday. Discussion. If not, all those in favor of the motion say aye. All those opposed say nay. Motion carried. Item 5, communications.
For item 5, there are no communications, Mr. President.
Thank you. Unfinished business.
None at the moment, Mr. President.
Number 7, reports of committees.
There are currently no committee reports, Mr. President.
Item 8, first reading of committee proposals.
None, Mr. President.
Item 9, second reading of committee proposals.
Also none, Mr. President.
Number 10, final reading of proposed constitutional amendments.
None, Mr. President.
Item 11, consideration of resolutions.
For item 11, consideration of resolutions, we have at the moment 3 resolutions. The first one is Convention Resolution number 4-1 for adoption. Convention Resolution number 4-1 is a resolution expressing gratitude and appreciation to President David W. Banuelo and Vice President Yosua P. George for making some of their staff, offices, and equipment available for use by the 4th Constitutional Convention of the Federated States of Micronesia.
Thank you. Floor leader.
Services.
Services called for. So, So we resume our session, Mr. Floor leader.
Mr. President, I move that the convention adopts the 3 resolutions as outlined under item 10, consideration of resolution.
Third recess. Third recess.
Third recess declared. Yes. No appreciation, floor leader.
Mr. President, I move for the adoption of convention resolution number for CSRES 4-01 with the understanding that the copies be also provided to the state governors, the state speakers of the legislatures, as
So
well as
recess.
Recess call for. What's the,
We
appreciation, Mr. floor leader?
Thank you, Mr. President. I restate the motion for the convention to adopt convention resolution 4-01.
Second. It's been moved and seconded that to adopt that particular resolution, CC dash resolution dash 4-01. Discussion? Any discussion?
Yeah, Mr. President.
Chairman Parsis?
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to make a comment so that it can be reflected. I noticed that all the three other delegations had resolutions for the matter. Besides, not everyone. So I take it that we would be under the same vote, sharing the resolution as presented, as being discussed. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Chairman Parsis. Any other discussion?
Mr. President,
Yes, Chairman Asher.
just to make a verification, I understand for Tri-State, we'll be introducing our resolution tomorrow for that matter.
Okay,
Mr. President,
yes.
Mr. President,
Yes, Chairman Napier.
I yield to Delegate Sitan.
Chairman Sidari, did you yield it also?
Yeah, thank you very much, President. I want to propose an amendment to the resolution to include the governors, speakers, and charters of the states. I so
Any second?
second.
Okay, it's been moved and seconded that the amendment by Chairman Sidari be adopted. Amendment to the main motion. Discussion of the motion by Chairman Sidari. Can you clarify again your amendment, Chairman Sidari? The
Yes, let me repeat. I said to amend the resolution to include the governors, speakers, and chief justices of the state government, presiding officer of the state church. Thank you.
Thank you. And there was a second to your motion, yes. We're still discussing that motion for amendment.
Point of information,
Yes,
I just want to make
Delegate
sure
Fritz.
that I believe delegate from Trump's proposed amendment relates to the second whereas clause for transmission of copies of this resolution, right?
Yes.
So that they.
Yes. Yes, okay. Any other discussion on the proposed amendment to the main motion? If no, All those in favor of the motion by Chairman Sitan, say aye. All those opposed say nay. So the motion is adopted, so we have a amended motion for the main motion at hand. Adoption of the resolution. So, as amended. Any other discussion? If none, let's vote on the main motion as amended. All those in favor say aye. All those opposed say nay. Motion carried. Moving on, Florida.
Mr. President, I move that convention adopts convention resolution number CC-RES-4-02.
It's been moved and seconded that that particular resolution be adopted. Discussion. Any discussion?
President,
Yes, Delegate Suzaya.
the follow suit as for the previous resolution. I move that we amend this resolution to include certified copies to be forwarded to the governors of each state, justices of the Supreme Court of the states, and the presiding officers of this convention. So moved.
Any second? Discussion on the amendment motion by Chairman Suzaya.
The speakers of the legislatures are included in the motion.
Thank you. Delegate Takesi.
Yes, Mr. President, I would like to seek the consent of the maker of the motion to amend to include the following. On line 8 of the resolution, after the word offices, include the congressional chamber, so that it will read the 21st Congress, recognizing that the importance of constitutional convention, have made available some of their staff, offices, the congressional chamber, and equipment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I declare services. Okay, here. Proposed amendment.
I just thank you, Mr. President, for clarification. My amendment is to include certified copies of this resolution to be transmitted to the governors of the 4 states, the presiding officers of the respective legislatures, chief justices of the state courts, and the presiding officers of this convention.
Thank
So
you.
moved.
Thank you. Yes, move second. So as seconded that is the amendment to the main motion at hand. All those in favor say aye. All those opposed say nay. So the motion, the main motion is adopted. So we have the main motion at hand. President, Delegate Takeshi? That's okay. Okay, if no other discussion on the main motion as amended. Yeah, floor leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. I'm just wondering about the last motion from Delegate Society. Currently, we have the President of the Fourth Constitutional Convention, but in this motion it said to the presiding officer. Would that include giving to the Vice President, naming the Vice President, the floor leader, and the Chairman of Council?
Okay, that's the affirmative. The response is affirmative. That's noted by Delegate Susaya.
Mr. President, the first one was only the President, and now the second one is going to include all the presiding officers. So why are we being inconsistent?
Representing the Vice President of the leader. So according to the and carry to him.
Okay, you still need to vote on the main motion at the end. Thank you for this comment. Yeah, so that one point taken. Any other discussion? Let's vote. All those in favor of the motion as amended, say aye. All those opposed, say nay. Motion carried. Moving on, Derek. We have floor leader.
Mr. President, I move that the convention adopts resolution number CC-RES-4-03.
It's been moved and seconded that convention adopts that aforesaid resolution CC-RES-4-03. Discussion.
Mr. President,
Chairman Sidan.
yes, I want to amend the motion to include the governor, chief justice of the state, and the presiding officers of the legislators. Thank you.
So you move. And a second? It's been moved and seconded that that particular motion or resolution is amended. Discussion on the amendment by Chairman Sidan. If none, all those in favor of the motion, say aye. All those opposed, say nay. Motion carried. So we have the main motion as amended. Any more discussion? If none, let's vote on the main motion. Yes, was it floor leader? Do you have any comments? You like this answer, okay? So all those in favor of the main motion at the resolution as amended. All those in favor say aye. All those opposed say nay. Motion carried. Any other matters under the item 11, Secretary? If none, item 12, introduction and referral of delegate proposals and resolutions. Please note referral sheet number 4-06, which is herewith attached to the order. Moving on, item 13, special orders.
None, Mr. President.
Thank you. Item 14, miscellaneous business. Any discussion on it? Yes, Chairman Sidan.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. I want to kind of endorse the comment raised by Delegate Fritz that any resolution or any bills, delegate proposal for adoption, we should at least have 1 day before we act on it, not immediately.
Thank you, Chairman Sidan. Voice is one thing and it shall be noted again. Any more matters on the miscellaneous business? President? Yes, yes. Delegate Susaya.
Were you informed that the East Lankan delegate Ariadne will be excused from our convention the plenary session this morning? If not, on his behalf and behalf of the public delegation, I wish to state for the record that the Isolangan of NET is excused to attend the funeral.
Thank you very much, Delegate Susay. It shall be noted in the journal, the record for today's session, that Isolangan, the reality is excused because of that particular reason. Any other miscellaneous matters? If none,
Mr.
yes,
President, short recess.
Floor leader. The short recess declared.
Mr. President, I just wanted to consult with my chairman. There was something that was discussed in committee this morning, and I thought that it was something for me to raise, but no, it's not.
Thank you. Chairman Harper.
Mr. President, thank you. I just want to, on behalf of the public delegation, once again acknowledge the presence of P68. And I want to kindly remind fellow delegates that our discussions, deliberations are going live. And I've heard comments from several colleagues that some of the discussions are not being heard because of us not using the mics. So I just want to make sure that everybody's using it, because I'm sure your fellow constituents will be out there listening to all these discussions. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chairman Harper, for that reminder. Thank
Short
you.
recess.
Short recess declared. we're now back to session. If no other matters on miscellaneous announcements, before the chairperson chairman make announcement, I just wish to remind delegates that today is supposed to be our photo session, and I understand there is somewhere photographers to take our photos. It's after this morning session. Any other announcements by the chairpersons of the committee? Chairperson Sikra?
Thank you very much. Good morning, Mr. President. The Committee on General Provisions will be meeting tomorrow, Saturday, 8:30 at the Legislative Committee meeting room. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chairperson Sikra. Tomorrow, Committee on General Provisions will be meeting 8:30 at the committee room. Correct? Okay, that's a good announcement. Any other announcement? Chairman Nabayan?
Thank you, Mr. President. The Committee on Government will be having its meeting this afternoon at 2:30 in this chamber. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman Nabayan. So your committee will be having your committee meeting or hearing this afternoon at 1:30? 2:30 at the committee, here inside the chamber. So we noted. Any other? Yes. Chairman Sidan?
Yeah, can I ask for some reasons?
Short recess declared.
Yeah, I asked that
our meeting. Any other announcements by any of the chairpersons? Yes, Chairperson Sikra.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. The Committee on General Provisions will be reviewing 3 delegates' proposals, 4-03, 4-16, 4-32, and they relate to the reduction of the number of votes needed to amend the Constitution. This will also be the first meeting of the committee, so we're open for an opening. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair, for the clarification on those issues to be taken up by your committee. General Provisions tomorrow at 8:30 at the committee room. Any other announcements?
Mr. President, if I may,
Yes, Delegate Candero.
it's not necessarily an announcement, but just something for us to reflect on. Many times when we encounter challenges that we can tackle, we often refer to biblical phrases to give us some guidance. If I may, Mr. President, A friend of mine once told me to note that if I encounter challenges, especially in a group setting, I should refer to 1 James verse 19. If I may, Mr. President, it says this. Understand this, my brothers, my beloved brothers and sisters. Let everyone be quick to hear. In other words, be a careful and thoughtful listener. Let everyone be slow to speak. In other words, a good speaker, a careful chosen words, and let everyone slow to anger. In other words, be patient, be reflective, and be forgiving. I thought since we're towards the end of our session today, perhaps that's something that we can all reflect on. Hopefully, it will give each and every one of us courage, patience, and in the spirit of brotherhood, so we can progress well from now towards the end of our convention, Mr. President. I thought I'd share that. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Delegate Cantero. Yes. Any question or business?
No.
No, we're back to session. Any other announcements? If none, before we adjourn, I wish to request again that the chairperson, chairman of each of the delegations, along with the officers, we have a quick meeting session immediately after this morning's session at the back room. Okay, if no other announcements, floor leader.
Mr. President, I move that the convention stands in recess until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Any second? Okay, it's been moved and seconded that we stand in recess until tomorrow morning at 10. If no other objection, let's have recess till tomorrow. Victor, what was it? Either we take the photo and then we have the meeting afterward, the chairperson of this delegation. Yes, I guess, according to complete. Complete, where are the?
We just sit here and turn our, name tag, our name tags, sit and
Yeah, maybe you just sit in the chair so that we can work it.
we will look professional.
Yes.
Dignified.
Complete.